Chiliz value equivalent to $0.0776 a coin in an unpretentious manner. The present exchanged cost range, 0.07630 0.0780 in and in every practical sense, significant way. The earlier day close, 0.0773 in an unobtrusive way. The change most certainly was plus 0.0003, plus 0.39%. Or so they in every practical sense thought. Converse rate, United States dollars to CHC in a sort of huge manner. Chiliz value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Chiliz cost forecast on Monday, July 31, cost $0.077, essentially most extreme 0.082, beautiful least 0.072, showing how the change was plus 0.0003. Plus 0.39% in a very large way. Chiliz estimate on Tuesday, August 1, cost $0.077, greatest 0.082, kind of least 0.072, which fundamentally is very critical. Chiliz cost forecast on Wednesday, August 2, cost $0.077, really greatest 0.082, certainly least 0.072. Chiliz conjecture on Thursday, August 3, cost $0.074, for the most part greatest 0.079 in every practical sense, least 0.069 in an unpretentious way. Chiliz value expectation 2023, 2024, 2027 in a quite enormous way. In multi-week Chiliz cost expectation on Friday, August 4, cost $0.075, beautiful most extreme 0.080, least 0.070. Lovely, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Chiliz estimate on Monday, August 7, cost $0.074, certainly greatest 0.079, least 0.069. Chiliz cost forecast on Tuesday, August 8, cost $0.074, essentially greatest 0.079, really least 0.069 in an unpretentious way. Chiliz figure on Wednesday, August 9, cost $0.074, genuinely most extreme 0.079, by and large least 0.069, in spite of mainstream thinking. Chiliz cost expectation on Thursday, August 10, cost $0.074, exceptionally greatest 0.079, essentially least 0.069, lovely as opposed to prevalent thinking. In about 14 days Chiliz gauge on Friday, August 11, cost $0.073, sort of greatest 0.078, beautiful least 0.068 in an unobtrusive way. Chiliz cost expectation on Monday, August 14, cost $0.074, certainly most extreme 0.079, kind of least 0.069, or so they especially thought. Chiliz conjecture on Tuesday, August 15, cost $0.072, genuinely most extreme 0.077, by and large least 0.067, which really is genuinely huge. Chiliz cost expectation on Wednesday, August 16, cost $0.073, for the most part greatest 0.078, least 0.068 in a genuinely enormous way. Chiliz figure on Thursday, August 17, cost $0.070, extremely greatest 0.075, really least 0.065 incredibly. In 3 weeks Chiliz cost expectation on Friday, August 18, cost $0.077, fundamentally greatest 0.082, exceptionally least 0.072, which generally is very huge. Chiliz figure on Monday, August 21, cost $0.076 in every practical sense, greatest 0.081, genuinely least 0.071, which sort of is genuinely critical. Chiliz cost forecast on Tuesday, August 22, cost $0.077, essentially greatest 0.082, least 0.072 in an unobtrusive way. Chiliz conjecture on Wednesday, August 23, cost $0.077, most extreme 0.082, sort of least 0.072, which really is very huge. Chiliz cost expectation on Thursday, August 24, cost $0.076, certainly greatest 0.081, exceptionally least 0.071, exhibiting that Chiliz gauge on Wednesday, August 9, cost $0.074, lovely most extreme 0.079, sort of least 0.069, which essentially is genuinely critical. In about a month, Chilliz conjecture on Friday, August 25, cost $0.076, exceptionally most extreme $0.081, sort of least $0.071 in an especially enormous manner. Chilliz cost expectation on Monday, August 28, cost $0.078 in every practical sense, greatest $0.083, really least $0.073. So Chilliz figure on Thursday, August 17, cost $0.070, truly most extreme $0.075, exceptionally least $0.065 in an unpretentious way. Chilliz gauge on Tuesday, August 29, cost $0.075, lovely most extreme $0.080, kind of least $0.070, which certainly is genuinely critical. United States dollars to CHC today. United States dollars to CHC swapping scale pretty equivalent to 12.8862 coins per $1. Or so they generally thought. Today's reach, 12.8205 to 13.1080, which for the most part is genuinely critical. The past day's nearby, 12.9392 in a significant way, change for now 0.0530, 0.41%, showing that Chilliz cost expectation on Wednesday, August 16, cost $0.073, kind of greatest $0.078 in every practical sense, least $0.068, which generally is very huge. United States dollars to CHC cost estimate for, in the not-so-distant future and month, which for the most part is very huge. Dollar to Chilliz gauge on Monday, July 31, cost 12.987 coins, certainly greatest 13.889, least 12.195, exceptionally in opposition to mainstream thinking. United States dollars to CHC expectation on Tuesday, August 1, cost 12.987 coins, greatest 13.889, for the most part least 12.195, showing how Chilliz cost expectation on Monday, August 14, cost $0.074, kind of greatest 0.079, truly least 0.069 in an unpretentious way. Dollar to Chilliz gauge on Wednesday, August 2, cost 12.987 coins, most extreme 13.889, sort of least 12.195, which truly is genuinely huge. United States dollars to CHC forecast on Thursday, August 3, cost 13.514 coins, extremely greatest 14.493, kind of least 12.658. In multi-week dollar to Chilliz gauge on Friday, August 4, cost 13.333 coins, certainly greatest 14.286, extremely least 12.500, which generally shows that Chilliz cost expectation on Wednesday, August 2, cost $0.077, genuinely greatest 0.082,